He's not scared of me anymore.
Rosie! Look at her coming.
Yep.
She's like, what's up, guys?
Hey, girl. Hi. This is Rosie. She's a Shetland pony, a purebred. Her name's Rosie. She's 4 years old. She is tame and amazing animal. My 5-year-old daughter just loves her. So Shetland ponies are a great, funny farm animal.
So
They really are. We have fainting goats, and we have a dwarf calf. We have a dwarf bull. He's really short. Want to get him up here? Let's get him up here.
Oh, and Rosie makes him faint.
Hey, Rosie. At CZ Green, we love all things nature. We love animals, we love plants, and we try to take care of our land, try to take care of our animals, and try to leave everything better than we found it. Take great pride in that. I have 4 kids, and I want to try to leave them this farm and business in much better shape than I got it. Hi, girl. Hi, baby. Hi, baby girl. Hi, girl. Get him, Rosie. These are my son's geese. He has a red thing he feeds them with. They come running to it. They're pretty friendly. Pretty cool, huh?